We are a company that sells paints and coatings for exterior surfaces and interior surfaces. In our daily work, we manage between 2,000 and 3,000 SKUs on our platforms for the consumers. Our products are born in our ERP. That standard basic information goes into Inriver, and from there we have me and my colleagues working within Inriver to enrich the products with usable information for our e-commerce websites. Using Inriver, we're actually able to go to market with a new product within a few minutes. In Flügger, we have been on a journey where we came from a very unstructured way of managing product information. So Inriver has helped us to, collect that data into one source of truth. That's very helpful for my colleagues and I to know where to go looking for the product information. Besides that, we have enhanced our PIM setup to also cater for e-commerce. And that's really the modern and golden standard for us to enrich products. So some of the features we have built in a very efficient and low-cost way is like products for upselling on each product page. We've built that directly into a standard CVL field in Inriver. Of course, AI brings a lot of opportunities. I think going forward, at least within Flügger, we are very keen on using Inriver as the place to store product information. Not just trying to fit all of our processes into one system, but actually use Inriver where it's the best use case for the system. So also in the future, the way to integrate from and to Inriver is going to be very critical for us to get the high efficiency and low time to market. We have an entrepreneurial spirit. We also want to develop our business fast. So having a system where you can actually edit and create and then see it on your live front-end web shop seconds after, that's a huge benefit for us.